If you have low porosity hair, if you have challenges with retaining length, if you have challenges with frizz, if you have challenges retaining moisture, you need Blue Magic. You know, when you're doing a twist out, you have to make sure that your hair is fully detangled, and I like to use this wide tooth comb to detangle my hair, and it's so easy when you have already applied water. So whenever you are trying to detangle your hair, please do not detangle it or comb it out when it's dry. My hair is fully detangled and the water is fully absorbed, so we're gonna go ahead and use the Blue Magic coconut oil hair conditioner. This is the plug, you guys. This is the plug. So soft. It's like really, really, really soft. By the way, it's very cheap. It's about probably $2 to $3. I got it here in Wanda for about 4,000. I have seen in other places it's more than 4,000. Do you see that? Do you see that? That's the moisture we need. So we're gonna apply a little bit on our scalp, and remember, we have moisturized our scalp with water, so you just want to get a little bit. Don't put a lot on your scalp, just put a little bit and massage it in. And I also like to separate my hair and then apply a little bit more onto the scalp. So yeah, this is the first time I'm applying it on the scalp. I usually use something else to help out with my scalp, but this is literally how my hair looks like. This is basically what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to twist my hair. Blue Magic products, they're the best. And then I twist the ends. So this is pretty much what I do. Do you see how moisturized this is? So you can see the difference, you guys. So you can see that this side is what I've been doing, and it looks really moisturized. It looks so good. It really looks so good. I'm gonna work on this section, re-moisturize it and twist, and you can see this side is dry, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but this side is, I don't know, can you guys see this side? We're trying to make it look like this side over here. So yeah, I'm gonna do this side off camera and I will come back. But this product is what you need in your life. You need this. You need this. It's not a moisturizing product, so please do not use it for moisture. It doesn't have any moisturizing ingredients in it, so it's not a moisture. Okay, so I am completely done with the twist, and this is how they look like. They feel good. They feel very good. I don't feel heavy. They feel light. I am obsessed with this product. Like, this works for me better than shea butter. Like, I'm not even kidding. Wow, it's just like my hair feels really good right now. Like, I'm obsessed. The same twist that I had, I did use this coconut oil for the very first time. I just wanted to see how it's gonna feel on my hair and how it's gonna like keep my hair moisturized, and hands down, it's great. It actually does keep my hair moisturized and looking good, like looking shiny and just like really looking good. Just put it in a ponytail and have my hair in a protective style like this for weeks. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you want to try Blue Magic coconut oil, go for it. It's really good, especially if you have dry hair, if your hair freezes a lot, if your hair is brittle. Just try using this coconut Blue Magic hair conditioner. It's really good. If you can't find it, I'm really sorry. That's pretty much it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Ciao.